Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our current session focuses on an introduction to teacher training. I hope and expect by the end of this session, you would have some insights into the basics of teacher training. Well, my dear students, at the outset, I would talk about what is teacher training. Well, teacher training refers to the policies, procedures, and provision designed to equip teachers with the knowledge, attitude, behaviors, and skills they require to perform their tasks effectively in the classroom, school, and in the wider community. Now, there are multiple layers of multiple meanings that exist in this particular definition that I have taken. I would refer to certain things one by one. So, the teacher training, according to this definition, refers to the policies, procedures, and provision. So, what is the policy of teacher training? What are the processes of teacher training? In what ways they are given training? And what is the provision? How, this teacher training is provided to them? At what level, for example, it is provided to them? So, this whole is designed to equip the teachers or to prepare the teachers with what? Knowledge. That is the knowledge of that particular subject. And when it comes to English language, for example, so with the knowledge of language and with the knowledge of teaching English language, attitudes and the behaviors. So how do they look at it? What is their perspective towards teaching and learning in general and towards teaching and learning of English, for example, and the skills that are required for the teaching purposes. So they require to perform these tasks again where at multiple levels. The training focuses on preparing them to operate on multiple levels effectively, at the level of the classroom, at the level of the school, and even in the wider community where they can make their contribution. Well, sometimes the term teacher education is also used, which is considered to be an equivalent for this. In fact, there is a long-standing and ongoing debate about the most appropriate term to describe these activities. And more recently, teacher education is preferred over the term teacher training. And why it is so? Because the term teacher training may give the impression that the activity involves training staff to undertake relatively routine tasks. Because of this mechanical aspect of it, it seems to be losing grounds. At least in the USA, it is losing grounds. As far as the term teacher education is concerned, this has the connotations of preparing the teacher or the staff for a professional role as a reflective practitioner. It is more like educating them or empowering them. So this term is more in use. When it comes to the significance of teacher training, teachers should be equipped to respond to the evolving challenges of the knowledge society. They need to be able to participate actively in it, and they should be prepared to prepare the learners to be autonomous, lifelong learners. They should therefore be able to reflect on the processes of teaching and learning through an ongoing engagement with the subject knowledge, with their interaction with the curriculum content, pedagogy, innovative research, and also by considering the socio-cultural aspects, norms, and values. Well, teacher education needs to be at a higher education level, or its equivalent be supported by strong partnerships between higher education and the institutions where the teachers are to be trained. Teachers also have a key role in preparing learners for their role as citizens. So, the perspectives on life, the perspectives on citizenship, etc. They need to be, the teachers need to be trained in them so that they can give, with their first-hand experience of all that, they can train the learners. For this purpose, first-hand experience gained from other cultures would also support the teachers. Well, my dear students, the process by which teachers are educated is the subject of political discussion in many countries. Even in our country, it is so. This reflects both the value attached by the societies and cultures to the preparation of young people for life and the fact that education systems consume significant financial resources as well.